Old City Jail.
What was it?
Old City Jail.
Really? I was thinking that.
Old City Jail was fire department.
Really? I was thinking with the doors, that was probably a fire department. This was probably a jail.
It's Old City Jail years.
Wow. All right, y'all. We'll bring you here to Trinity. It's the water tower right there, the Gibson Hotel. Let's go ahead and see this little Texas landmark real quick. Historical marker. This used to be the site of the Gibson Hotel. Early settlers. Thank you for your history and thank you for putting up a sign. So this is where that Gibson Hotel stood. So there's a lot of history here in Trinity County. You have no idea. It's absolutely amazing. And then over here, we have the Trinity Equipment Company. I love how all the squares are kind of nestled in together. Let's take a look. Let's cross the street effectively. 4 buildings getting cracks up here. They just go through their natural aging process. I love these old doors. These are amazing. It's absolutely crazy. It's like look through the hole, nothing. Downtown, imagine the time of when this day was bustling. This one looks like it's been kind of renovated a little bit. I like to see that. The old Atlas Cash and Pawn. Oh my gosh. The window is busted out. That is terrible. Got bars on the windows over here. Standard bistro. Let's move a little bit further. So much history, and the insides of these buildings also have bricks inside. That is so amazing. Check this out, y'all. Such good tile work. This would be absolutely stunning if it were fixed up. Old bricks. All the windows are busted out from the top. Wonder what it looks like back here. Let's keep going. The explorer in me says, let's keep going, let's keep going. Keep looking, risk it for the biscuit. So to think of what this community would have been like, I don't know if I can make it over there, but it looks like an old building as well. Absolutely incredible. So I think it said a bank. And obviously these were newerly patched up, probably windows like that. I think it said this was a cleaners and then a bank up top. You could tell little brass hookings right there where it probably had like an awning. Just check this out. This is so neat. Robinson's. And then way up there it said bank. Let's go take a look on the other side. Got glass on the ground. Wow. You see all the old paint. Wow. Makes you wonder all the walks of life this building has seen over time. It's just incredible because not a lot of people really care about history, and it's very, very, very important to us. So we like to document as much as we can for y'all. All the windows are busted out. This looks really neat. I wonder if I can get a little pan from here. That is an absolute ruins. I wonder what this place used to be. Wow. Have the old piping there. Looks like a little room. I know the people are probably driving by thinking, what in tarnation is this woman doing? And this, you can see that they had to do quite a few repairs. You could see the layers. I'm really interested to know what this one was, actually.
I used to be Old City Jail.
What was it?
Old City Jail.
Really? I was thinking that.
Years ago, Old City Jail was fire department.
Really? I was thinking with the doors, that was probably a fire department. This was probably a jail.
It's Old City Jail years.
Wow. Well, thank you for letting me know that. That is awesome. I like recording all these old buildings,
Right.
so good.
Come around here.
Yes, sir. Well, thank you for your time, sir. Well, that is awesome. So the old firehouse and the jail. Interesting. I love that. And I do have a lot of family history in Trinity County as well, so I'm sure it wouldn't be too hard to find out. Totally interesting. And it is so hot here, y'all. I think I'm gonna try to make my way across the street without getting ran over. I really liked that the man came and told me a little bit of history. That's really appreciated. Thank you so much for that.